Okay, this is the debut of the NIDO powdered whole milk. First batch, and really first attempt of this. I forgot, I think I'm on my 9th or 10th. Is this the 9th attempt at making a Reuteri yogurt? This is the gums and teeth. So here we go. And this was a full pot. Let's see. Oh yeah. Ooh, this is a little thinner. Well, it's got a nice top, but ooh, this is thin. So I might go a little longer. Let me see here. Well, it's a different flavor. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna go longer. Doesn't taste sour, but darn, didn't set as well. Tastes a little grainy too. I'm guessing that milk wasn't mixed as thoroughly. Doesn't taste bad though. Nothing funky. Yeah, I'm gonna let it incubate a little longer. I might try 36 hours with this. Okay. Alright, be safe, stay out there. Until next time. Bye for now.